There's something fun and exciting about wandering around IKEA, just imagining how everything you see could fit perfectly in your space. Then you get inspired and makes you want to start on a new project out of nowhere. It's been a few weeks since I moved, and now that I'm all settled in, it's time for the fun projects to begin. So today we're here at IKEA to shop for some items. First is my patio and then the standing desk I'm planning to do. So let's get started. So here's the patio situation. Currently it's a mess. I like to stay organized, or I like to think I'm organized, especially when it comes to my plant supplies. It's easy to make a mess and things can get out of control fast. I have a really small patio, so I'd like to keep it as clean and organized as possible. I want to create a space that's both functional and easy to the eyes. It's one less thing to worry about and just one more thing to enjoy. Anyway, I picked up this outdoor cabinet that I'm really excited about. It totally fits my style, and I think it's going to look good out here. I started with the smaller shelf first, which honestly was kind of a pain to put together, but the taller shelf is even worse. But once I got the frame secured, it was easy from there. Putting the shelves actually pretty easy too. Finally, I got to work on the actual cabinet, which surprisingly was the easiest part. Alright, I just finished the cabinet, but it's already getting dark and I'm getting tired, so I'll just continue tomorrow. Alright guys, we are back. I actually messed up. I meant to do the door last. I had to take down the door, attach the actual cabinet to the frame, and then put the door last. I just need to do some finishing touches and we're almost done here. Okay, the patio is done. I'm quite happy with the result. It's nice and clean and everything's put away nicely. Now let's go inside and let's start on making the desk. So now that my desk is done, time to put in all the accessories that I got for it. First up is this cable management box. It's definitely a must-have. Keeps all the cord hidden and organized. Since my desk is on the smaller side, I also picked up a monitor stand that doubles as a shelf and an organizer. It's perfect for extra storage for like my MacBook or my notepad. For my monitor, I went with the 27-inch LG 5K monitor. I got a really good deal off Facebook Market, so shout out to Facebook Market. Anyways, it got Thunderbolt, so it powers my MacBook Pro, which is super convenient. I added a felt desk mat that houses my MX Keys keyboard and mouse. Everything just feels smooth and organized. I also found this AirPod stand at IKEA. It's in the children's section, and I couldn't resist getting this cute little lamp. It just adds a bright touch of warmth to the setup. And of course, no desk is complete without a plant, just to bring some life into the space. Finally, I got this really cool monitor light bar. It's super helpful if you're like me and still like to jot down notes with pen and paper. So yeah, that's my desk setup for now, and I'm really loving how it all came together. All right, perfect timing. My couch and my coffee table actually just got delivered. Alright guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.